Praise the name of the Lord. Hey, did I carry any? Gegaria kwe kakedo getago audit. Ge kakedo getago audit. Na de kire audit geshono kamono. Na nikiona tuile matua makobare my past. I decided to cut ties with my past. Whatever that happened there, it is called former. The only thing that can worry me, it is how I'm handling my present, because my present is a sign of how and what I'll become in future. Mutanya mwere gegera Facebook gikora numetwo kuma iguru ginyathe geciria na kedore no wanuma deciria kurora ri ndakorire ni mwana wa 1999 giika audit na negwenda na nyumu eke audit nigetho tigane na maundu ma wana girora ngiona atiriri darumo 2023 dina miaka igana gwa kameme dina miaka 13 riu ni dina miaka it is my 16th year kameme ritwa riri rarumo ri ndiri akite miaka 13 no riramomorwo ni mwana wi college we ke audit nigetha orore maundu mari ora handle kana mabatie gutharurio ni mundu tari raka kaundu. I did my audit gimenya nigetha mundu adurithie nikekaga adirikanagia my past getua matua makoigino kana ndari na past na hii lazima ifanyike leo. Lazima ifanyike leo. Wala wa mama hapa mnasumbukaga na mababy daddy wenu, waachilia hii watu. Utakufa na mwanada kiriaga irefe. Wale wazee mko hapa, mlitiwa majeraha na wake mlikuwa mumeoa, na ndani ya moyo wenu mnaonanga hata hamwezi kuwasamehe. Sasa itabidi muachilie mwende hii safari. Todo ni uririkana yaginya mukagwa ule mwena ake nyumba ule mutumia ucio ngahana, and they don't like ona gike no gutharuria todo waikarakara wako yoerio mae ndungihana mase kiria masekaga no kwaria muno no irio na mae ni ahiuhagiria. When you remember the former things, they will affect the present life. Mwanyi to adroiga mutumia ucio ngi wari wa mbere ona tu bedroom ni atumaga bedroom ihore rugari riu we ujihuriirie heho guku riu urendeke atia. If you cannot ignore your yesterday, it will affect your today and also affect your future. Praise the name of the Lord. You have to forget the former things so that you can not dwell again